In this class we are going to draw human figure. So first I'll hold this scale and I'll make one straight line. So this is 1 and 2, one line you can give here, and 1/4 of this 2 line is 0.5. Now after that you can make 1, 2, 2, 2 parts, 2 centimeter, 2 centimeter, one block I am considering. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and one more block, that will be 7. Total 7 blocks. Now you can give slipping line, that is totally up to you that how much broad you're going to take. Roughly I am going to give now slipping line. Now here this area we are going to cover for this face. Now this is 2 centimeter. So if you wish you can make that 2 centimeter more here, that dot. That is totally person to person, it depends upon person to person. Neck you can start from here, from this line only, and slanting you can make that line here. Neck I'm starting for this face only, and this is slanting. Now we can number also, we can number them. So this is your first block, second block, third block, 4, 5, and this is 6, and this is extra, and this one is 7. So after that what we can do, up to 5th block we can make that chest. So slight you can come here. This is male figure, so we have taken little bit broad. Now 4 centimeters in between that 5 and 4 we can make that waist, make some dots. Now coming to this third area we can divide, we can start giving that leg. So leg will come little bit out, so I'm making some dots out. Now coming down to this second line we can make one knee. Knee we can make 1 circle, 2 circle, and then rest all that leg. Leg will come here, one here, one here, one here. It is up to you that how much you're going to apart this one. Hand will come up to 3, means from shoulder 1, 2, 3. 3 block you are going to cover for this hand. So hand will come up to here. Now how to make that hand? Suppose in 5 and 4, in between 5 and 4, you can make a circle for this hand. And this one, little bit you can move up for 5, and here for shoulder also, this is your another joint. Now see, this way we can join full body. Now here what we can do, come out with for this shoulder, and then coming here. Now this is your chest, coming inside. Now very easily you can draw, come out. Roughly you can come out. It all depends upon person to person. Again I'll tell, it all depends upon person to person that how much thickness. Now this is your between 6 and 5, this one, that will be your chest area. This is your stomach area. Coming down, now from 4th one we can start giving that leg. Leg, if you don't want to apart, if you want to, this leg should join, come more close, make more close this circle. Suppose this circle I want to make it more close, means the person is standing with tight feet, so make it more close, come here, slide here, and now we can make that leg coming out. This will be in this shape. Means it is coming out and in. Never make straight. If you will see, just keep on observing your leg also. Whenever you are making live, it's the best way to learn that. Keep on observing your body shape also. Now little bit I have left, means 0.5 you can left for this area. And sometimes if you are going to make a boot or anything, you can add some boot also. Here also if you want, you can make one circle so that you will get that proper shape. Now this is your leg. Now here what we can do, now we can add now hand. Hand is also coming like this. And then this one. Now in this three we can make arm. Little bit you can move back. This is hand. Now come out. It is all up to you that how much close you want to make a hand. Now this one is, now suppose it is coming here. Now see this one, in between 4 and 5 you have to make this. Join, join, come out, come out. Now this way we have completed this human figure. It is totally up to you that what form, what shape, what size you want to give to this human figure. Now rest all other shapes you can add here. You can erase this circle, but for memory you can leave as it is. Here what you can do, you can add now, give one slipping, standing is already given, roughly you can make one eyes. And ears by the side. You can add more detail, more you can add. Now this is jaw area. Now this is human figure, so first is standing, male figure. So what we can do, we can make that male shape. So this is standing, slanting little bit, and then immediately come inside. Make chin. Now this way we can give a human figure shape. Here if you want, you can add hair, so it will look like a complete photo. Now rest all addition you can add, clothes and everything. Now what you can do here, this is 6 and 5, in between 6 and 5 actually, here we can give a chest. And coming down, rest all other extra lines you can erase. And just above the 4, so this way you can show that complete human figure. This is the only ratio and proportion. So if you want to add more detail, that more addition and all, that you can do, but this is that only that ratio. 7 parts you can divide, little bit you can lift up, and sometimes you can come down also if you are going to show different kind of means a shape. Now this one leg, suppose I feel so this is looking very fatty, so what I will do, it is coming out, then immediately come in, and then you make, you can see in your leg also this area that is little bit fatty. This side also come out little bit immediately and come in. Now this is your male figure. This male figure is ready. Now we will try a female figure. Now here also what we are going to do, again I am going to make now one standing line. Now 1 and 2, 0.5 I am taking here, okay, and then again this is first block we have made. Now this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 total blocks. Now you can make that slipping line that just we have made in male figure also. So make slipping. Now again what we can do, we can start from here, just you make one head. Oval. Neck we can start from here, and but this time that shoulder. So always remember, female shoulder will be, compared to men, female shoulder will be always little bit narrow. So here we have taken now 2 centimeter. Suppose we have taken this 2 centimeter head. So this time we are not going to make that exact 2 centimeter head. 0.2 and 0.2 both the sides we will reduce. 0.2, this is 2.123 and this side also 2.123. This is suppose 2 centimeter. Okay, so here less than 2 centimeter you have to make, means a 0.2 you can reduce. And this side also less than 2, so this is I am reducing 0.2, near about 1.8 and 1.8 both the sides we are taking. Now shoulder, starting from this neck, shoulder will come only up to here. We can't go up to 2 centimeter that we have done in human figure, that one male figure. So this time we have to focus especially for this female figure that chest, that shoulder should not be broad like a male figure. So we can now name them. This is now 7th block, this is now 6th block, and this one is 5th, 4, 3, 2, and this is first block. Now from here we are going to start again. Now up to 3rd block we know that we are going to make a hand. So hand will be also as it is. Everything will be as it is, only that shoulder we have to reduce. Roughly I am going to make this line. Later on we will decide that. Later on we will make that circles and all. Very roughly. Okay. Now see this up to 5th. This 5th, from 5th we will start making this one. And this will be that waist size will be of 4 and 5. In between 4 and 5 we can make, and we can make it more narrow, more cuttings we can show. So come out, even if it is coming on the hand also, let it come. Now coming out to this up to 3. So from here I will start. So 1, 2, 1, 2. From here we will start now making leg. Knee will be as it is that we have done in male figure. So from here we will start coming down, and then this portion slight you come out and then in and come down. This side also. Now this one will be your leg area. Roughly we have done. Now from here, this is your shoulder area, and this one in between that 5 and 4, this is 5 and 4. Here we can make one more circle. So whenever we are making circle slide, you have to come out, then you have to come in, then again you have to come out. From here come out, and from here we can make a hand. Now see this one. Now from here, that is looking like a female figure. Now what we can do from this waist size, what you can do, just you make one curve and you can add some dresses and all. So this one little bit you can come more inside, more narrow you can make, or you can cover it with a, that is totally up to person to person. Here we can add a skirt or anything you can add. Okay, but we have to understand this figure, so I'm not going to erase this inner line. Here we can make now anything. And this side, that you can make now eyes and all. So this is now slipping. Roughly you have to make now eyes. Just a front view eyes I am making, and lips also. Slight you can make smiley face. And then we can add ears. Only adding this much only, that you will see that whole look will change of this female photo. Slight you can come up of this 7 centimeter. So this way you can differentiate between female and male photo and figure. Only that one thing is that in female photo what you have to focus, that is shoulder should be 0.2 less than this head size. This leg also, it is totally up to you that what is the size, that how you're going to make them, how you're going to add shoes, heel, boot, anything you can add here. And this is the way that we can, is following this proportion we can add a side view, front view, everything.